How to fix Toyota app not working. What's up everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix your Toyota app not working. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new uploads. Alright, let's get right into it. The very first thing that you want to do is make sure that your app is up to date. For that, you just have to open up your Play Store and search for Toyota. And once you do that, you just have to make sure that if there is an update button here, you just have to update the app. And after you do that, give your phone a quick restart and your app should be working normally again. But if it's not working, in that case, what you can do is clear its cache. Now just head over to its app info, scroll down to storage, and then clear cache from here. Because sometimes the junk files of the app is causing trouble. So once you clear it, your app should run smoothly. And even after that, if your app is still not working, then just head over to permissions and make sure all of the required permissions are turned on in the app. And finally, head over to battery and make sure that it's on unrestricted or optimized. Once you do this, give your phone a quick restart and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time.